Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this triangular shadow box which has like blue and white buffalo plate background, and I just matched some of this mesh ribbon which has like a snowflakes kind of an effect to it, and also have this wooden cutout of a star, and I'm going to paint white chalk paint which I prepared from home. I'll share one of these days the recipes of it, and I'm actually planning to put some like a snow clad trees and some snow walls and things like that. So I have this felt which you actually put under the Christmas tree, and I'm just taking a piece of it and I'm measuring how much I have to, and I'm taking a dab of a hot glue and I'm going to stick that piece of the felt fabric to give like a faux snow effect there. Now I have this brushed white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. They're in two sizes, small and big, and I'm planning to stick those two trees inside the shadow box just like so. And I'm loving it already, and my star is also dried and ready to be stuck, so I'm going to stick on top of it just like that. Then I realized I have to attach some of this mesh ribbon as a bow on the top, so I just cut two pieces of them, I think like 2 to 3 inches of it, and then I just pinched it in the center, and I'm just tying it up with one of this same color cotton twine, and I'm making a bow just like that. Now my bow is ready, and I'm going to stick it on top of the shadow box just like that, and I'm also going to attach this white star on top of it. And I have this pack of white pom-poms, and I'm going to replicate snow here, so I'm going to take a couple of pieces of them and then stick it on the base of the shadow box just like that. And I just realized it also needs like tiny greenery, so I just have some of this Christmas greenery I just scattered here and there, and it's ready. To DIY number 2. For this I'm going to create a snowball basket or snowball bucket. So I wanted to match the same blue shade, so luckily I got this nice blue flower pot from Dollar Tree, and also I'm going to use the same meshy ribbon, and I'm going to cover the top of the flower pot, and I just measured like maybe like 10 to 12 inches of this ribbon, and then I'm just bringing it all together and I'm just tying a knot. That's all I'm doing here, and then I wanted to stick with a dab of a hot glue so that ribbon gets in a place, and also it looks like a bow that is being stuck to the top. And this is how it looks after it is stuck. So I'm just loving this. You can decorate it for any other decor in the house. So I have this beautiful foam white snowflakes, and it is so delicate and beautiful. I'm just loving this. All it has is like a tiny sticker in the back, and I'm just using a dab of a hot glue. I'm just sticking on the top just like that, and I wanted to stuff this snow basket with a lot of plastic bags, so it gives it fills the base of it. And I'm also using the same felt which I use for the other project, and I'm just covering it up so it looks like it is for snow. So now it's all ready, and I'm going to create snowballs, and these are the tennis balls, table tennis balls from kids section of Dollar Tree, and this is the for snow. And I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge and cover it up with a paintbrush, and then I'm going to dip in some of this for snow, and I'm going to do like a couple of times so the snow looks like really covered and it looks like really a snowball to me. And I let all those snowballs dry well, and I'm also using this tiny pom-poms as like a tiny snowballs all over it, and I'm going to lay my the tennis balls which for snow covered ones on top of it. And I'm also attaching some of this Christmas greeneries in front of the bow. So this is completed and done. DIY number 3, and this is basically a quick hack. And I got this same colored candle in the candle section of Dollar Tree, and I wanted to decorate this candle to just include in this Winter Wonderland project. So I have this tiny foam stickers which has snowflakes in it. So I just took 2 of them and stuck it on either side of the candle jar, and I wanted to decorate with this cotton twine ribbon, but I thought I also have some of this white sheer ribbon which has like a shiny snow effect to it, so I'm going to use that instead. I folded the ribbon into half, and then I just circulated around the candle jar, and using a dab of a hot glue I'm sticking around the candle jar, and with some 2 snowflakes on either side of the name. And this is how it looks after it's decorated. So what do you think? This is the final reveal of my Winter Wonderland set of projects, and this is a triangular shadow box that had like nice blue background, and it reminded me of winter. I thought I should make something in this beautiful blue shade, and I just got this brushed Christmas trees of winter themed from Dollar Tree, and these are some of the pom-poms. I just stuffed it as like a snowballs, and I spread some of the greenery which had like a snow clad on top of it, so it's just to give like a winter effect there. And I painted one of this wooden star with white chalk paint, and this beautiful ribbon, it looks like as though this ribbon is stuck with a lot of snow, isn't it? I just loved it. I thought like I should mix this and decorate that on top as the Decor, and I just got like 2 of them, and I made a bow with a star on the top, and I'm just loving this piece. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this is another flower pot that I got from Dollar Tree, and I matched with the theme that I was planning to do, and I just decorated this with one of this beautiful same ribbon. I just made a knot and I stuck it like a bow, and this is one of the foam snowflake, and these are actually some of the plastic balls, white color, and I just had Mod Podge and some of the fall snow and the pom-poms, and I decorated like it's a basket filled with snowballs. So that's the effect I wanted to give, and I also decorated with some more greenery, winter greenery, and some fall snow. So yeah, this is another project that I'm really happy with. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this is just a quick hack, and I found this the same matching candle from Dollar Tree, and I attached 2 of those snowflake stickers on either side, and one of those shiny ribbon, which reminds me of snow. So it has got like shiny, and it's like actually a sheer ribbon which has got like a shiny effect to it. So I thought this will go with the whole theme of my winter wonderland project. So I brought and I just decorated it on top of it, and this is going as a gift to one of my friends. So yeah, these are the light blue winter themed Christmas decor that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and walking along with me, and you have to tell me which one is your favorite, and you want to throw any suggestions towards my channel. I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.